Hey guys, welcome back. I know I missed yesterday. The 11-day streak is gone. I know. I am equally disappointed in myself, as you can imagine.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Yesterday was the most hectic day of my life. That's probably a little bit of an exaggeration, but so much went wrong from being kicked off the ResNet Wi-Fi at my school
What do you mean by that?
to not having the proper books. The code on my ebook didn't work for my stats class.
A few moments later.
We are just gonna go right into it today because, oh my goodness, what are we gonna do today? Problems. I thought that today would be kind of cool. I thought there was I thought there was a way to. Oh my god! I did not mean to click that. I thought there was a way to. Let me see. It's on my laptop. Hey guys, future me here. It always takes me a lifetime to get into the first question, so I am just gonna speed through it. Basically, I just am gonna go through the study plan of binary search and finish it up. Hopefully that leads me into like finishing up like a hard question maybe by the end of the month or the start of February. I think that's kind of my goal. I think it'd be something pretty cool to try and do. Target in nums. If target exists, return its index, otherwise return -1. You must write an algorithm. Oh, what? Perfect. Okay. So we are going to have a left, which equals 0. And we are going to have a right, which, oh my gosh, which equals the length of nums. Right? That's our left and right. Perfect. Binary search, left and right, always. All right. While left is less than right, basic binary search things, we want to say output, let's see, target is 9, output is 4. Perfect. All right. So we want to say, oh geez, it's been a minute, literally. Okay, so we want to find mid, and we want to recalculate mid. So mid equals left plus right divided by floor division of 2. Pretty simple, right? So then we want to say if mid is less than our target, if mid is less than our target, so let's say mid in this case is 5, so we want to say left equals mid, right? And that's all that we want to do. Else, we want, so that means then we want to say right equals mid. Let's print mid. Let's see if this works and see what kind of numbers we get. If anything. Perfect. Now that you guys have seen me write a binary search algorithm for like the bajillionth time, you'll watch me draw here for a little bit because, you know, I do be doing those drawings all the time just because I want to, and it doesn't help at all because I end up making the biggest spaghetti mess of all time. Like it just gets worse and worse. Like I dig this huge hole, and I feel like that's such a common theme with me sometimes, especially when I'm coding like things like this. Oh my god, it smells like popcorn in my room and it's making me hungry. Sorry, side note. But yeah, no, I end up messing with it. I'm just kind of using print statements to navigate my way through. I end up writing way much more code than I have to and end up simplifying it a ton anyway. Something you can notice is my while left and right is kind of messed up. So that's something to pay attention to. It should be left is less than or equal to right. Additionally, I always, for some reason, forget about checking if mid is the answer. I don't know why I always forget to do that. That's like something I have a really bad habit, especially with the binary search. So towards the end, you should be able to see me solve that, or not solve that, make that correction within my code. And then once that's done and I clean it up a bit, that's the entirety of the code for the first question. That left plus right divided by 2. then if I think I understand what I'm doing. I think it's if nums sub mid equals equal. Oh, because I'm never checking the mid target. I want to return mid, right? Else, so you only want one case basically, and then we say, then this needs to be an elif statement. Elif, our nums mid is less than our target. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I did not expect to be this far away from the solution, so I'm just gonna be talking so you guys can hear my amazing voice while hopefully I speed up the clip and the question solves itself at some point here. Hopefully, please. Yeah, no, this question kind of took me a long time, but you know what? I'm getting back into it today, so chill out on me, guys. I know I missed yesterday. I'm never gonna live that down on myself. Is it equal?
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Am I getting out too early? Is that the problem? Ah, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. When left is equal, so that just means it's the final element, which we need to check the final element. So I'm just going to wrap up today with one more question. It's honestly really similar. I think I write almost the exact same algorithm, except instead of returning -1 if the element is not inside of our list, I just have to return where the index should be of where that element should be inserted. So yeah, nothing too complicated. I'm really just going to speed through it and then get you guys to the end because it's the exact same code, and I honestly it took me like 5 to 8 minutes to figure it out. But yeah, again, I just want to say thank you guys, and I will try better to be daily about it. I think what it might have to be is that I do daily Leetcodes, but I might not be able to record them daily because the editing process just takes so long and it's so time consuming. Like today I started at 12:30 and now it's already 3:07 and I'm about halfway through editing this video. And I don't mean to complain. I'm very grateful and I love doing it. It just takes up a lot of time and I've got a lot of work. So I'm going to have to figure out a balance that works a little better. But yeah, should be at the solution here and I'll let you guys watch the rest of it. It just return left. Is that what it is? Instead of mid plus one. Mid plus one is terrible. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the logic inside the loop was great. We did all that right. Perfect. Starting to get that binary search down pretty well, if I do say so myself. So yeah, when you're out of the loop, if you leave the loop, left is equal to right, which is the last thing. So you don't want to return like a random mid. Because mid is, if you get out, mid is like something, but not what you want. Okay. Probably don't need this part, to be honest, then, either. Probably not. Yeah. Okay. You are given an array of letters that is sorted in non-decreasing order and character type. There are at least 2 different characters in the letters. Return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than target. The smallest character. Oh, it's basically saying what is the next. So you have C, F, and J if your target's C, D, E. Wait, what? A, B, C, D, E, F. F is the next thing that comes into play. Oh my god. Guys, bad news. I never learned the alphabet. Not really, but kind of. Oh, jeez. I think this will be tomorrow's question, or we'll do another. We'll just keep building on this binary search thing. Yeah, no, this will be for tomorrow. I'll just leave it up on my computer. I'm happy to be back in my computer. Oh, I have so much homework still left to do today and already have quizzes, even though Friday is literally like the 3rd day of school. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys can forgive me for missing one day. I'm kind of disappointed that my streak is gone. Like, I don't know, I kind of took a little bit of pride in that and now it's gone. But you know what? We're going to come back. And you know what? We're gonna blow past straight 11. We're gonna go to the moon with this. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Let's see where I am in the rankings now. 3.6. I've only solved 24 questions. That just doesn't feel right. I mean, I guess I only did 11 days, so I guess I don't know what 47.46 acceptance is. I don't know if that's like the average question difficulty. Beats 60. I don't know. Beats 50%. I don't know. Anyway, those questions didn't take too long, but again, I don't have a ton of time. So again, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed, remember to please leave a like.